Have you ever wanted to make $300 just by typing a single word? Well, today I'm going to show you exactly how to do that, so stay tuned. Alrighty, you guys, so I'm going to go over an amazing website that's going to help you make anywhere between $100 to $300 just by using your imagination, your own creativity, and by typing a single word. Are you guys ready? So this website is called Squad Help, and I'm going to show my screen and we're going to go over on how to become a creative and how to start getting an income and making an income all by typing out words. Alrighty, so this is the website right here. And right now we're going to scroll over on Think You're Creative and how to sign up. So pretty much how this works out is that you submit your own ideas using your own creativity and naming and slogans and logo designs, any creativeness that you may have. What's really awesome about this is that let's say that you are really wanting to make money but maybe you don't have the most creative. Mine, no worries. You can always use Google, use your friends, bounce names off people, read books, etc. to help you bring out that creativity. Now, once you submit your ideas and names, titles, slogans, or even your own logo, what you do is you get paid through PayPal, which is pretty darn awesome. So contest holders will actually rate your ideas and provide feedback for you. So even if you don't hit it on the nail the first time, they'll provide some feedback, say maybe I like this, but this is where we're going, or give you some really good constructive criticism to help you again give another name and be able to get paid. So to earn cash, all you have to do is get your name, your logo design, etc. Picked as a winner, which is great. Again, any of that can go from $100 to $300, which is simply awesome because the more contests you apply to, the more of a chance you're going to actually get with getting paid and getting picked. And in between all of that, you'll be able to earn badges, points, and bragging rights, as well as a portfolio for any of your ideas that are liked, which is going to actually open up more possibilities and more contests for you. Now, a lot of questions can come up with this site, and I want to make sure I answer some of them in this video. So one of them is, well, how do I get paid, April? Again, you're going to get paid through PayPal, which is fantastic. You're also going to be required to sign a W-9 or a W-8 BEN. This is just for your taxes on earnings, which is actually really great because it kind of shows that, you know, they're not a sketchy business, that there is some verification for it. Also, you'll be able to participate in your first contest as soon as you set up your profile. I actually did this and set up my own profile, and I was able to participate in a contest right then and there, which is fantastic because then you can start building up your badges, points, etc. Once your ideas are liked in a few contests, you will automatically receive full access to participate in all active contests. This is great because, again, the more contests you put in, the more money you can make. Now, do you have to participate in all contests that are assigned to you? Absolutely not, which is what I think is the greatest thing, is that you're not forced to kind of sit there and be like, I have no idea what to do with them or this niche or anything like that. You can deny any contest that you may be assigned to, and it's not going to have any negative feedback back to your profile. Some amazing categories you can find yourself into is the beauty industry, automotive, startups, tech companies, food and beverage companies. This is so great because no matter where your zone of genius lies or what you're actually interested in, you can actually narrow down your contests and focus on your niche and audience that you want to. Now I'm going to go over how to confidently get your ideas picked by the contest holders. Okay, so the first tip is to actually read through it thoroughly. And I know that sounds like a very common sense thing, but they give you so much detail, keywords, and kind of gives you a good idea of what they are looking for. You may know a lot about this niche or audience, but you have to realize that these specific contests, they are looking for something in particular. And the best way to know exactly what they're looking for is reading the fine print. understanding all the words that they're telling you, as they're usually giving you in the direction they want to go. Do not submit any entries without thinking, does this specifically meet the criteria they are looking for? Alrighty, you guys, my next tip is to ask and adjust. And by this, I mean ask more questions. If they aren't giving you clear details, feel free to ask a question and ask for more details. Or maybe if you're at a fork road and you're not exactly sure which way to go towards, just ask. Once you get that feedback, you can adjust properly and know exactly where to go from there. If they're giving you feedback, don't think like that was a total bombshell, okay? Just adjust accordingly and then resubmit your entry. All right, those are my 2 big tips for being a creative and getting your entries picked. Some of you guys may be asking, okay, bro, what is Squad Help? Well, first off, Squad Help is a crowdsourcing platform where customers receive custom names for their projects by creatives just like us. As you can see, all the active contests you can choose from are naming, logos, tagline. These are great for beginners who may not want to start out as a business or as a full-time freelancer, but kind of get their feet wet and still get paid. This is also a great way to build up a portfolio and get the hang of using your creativity to start getting paid. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and this platform. Let me know in the comments below if you checked it out and what your thoughts are. And if you are interested in doing this but on a higher level, please go to the description and check out my free roadmap to becoming a virtual assistant, where you can do things just like this and get paid great money, consistent money, and a great way to just build up a new career and a great way to start bringing in an income all from home. See you guys next time. Bye.